In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize expenses for tax time in Wave. By the end, you'll feel confident that your business spending is neatly organized and ready for tax season without any guesswork. First, open Wave Accounting and sign in to your account. Use your usual secure login, and once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, we're heading straight to your transactions. Look for the accounting section in the main menu, then choose transactions. This is the hub where all your bank imports and manual entries live, and it's where you'll do your categorizing. Now let's focus on the items that need your attention. You're looking for transactions marked as uncategorized expense. These are the ones Wave hasn't been able to match to a specific type of spending yet. You can scan the list to spot them quickly. They'll be clearly labeled so you won't miss them. When you find an uncategorized expense, click the category field on that transaction. This opens a list of expense categories that align with common tax reporting needs. Choose the category that best describes what the money was spent on. For example, office supplies, software subscriptions, utilities, or meals. If the purchase was for something that benefits your business but isn't perfectly obvious, think about how you'd explain it at tax time and pick the closest fit. The goal is to be consistent and accurate so your totals roll up cleanly for year end. Work through each uncategorized expense the same way. Click the category field, select the appropriate type, and then move on to the next one. If you see a recurring vendor, try to keep the category the same each time for clarity. And if a transaction is clearly not a business expense, don't force it into a business category. Keeping personal and business spending separate makes your books cleaner and tax prep smoother. When you've categorized all the uncategorized items, take a moment to review. Scroll through your expense transactions and make sure everything looks right for tax reporting. Ask yourself whether each category honestly reflects the nature of the purchase. Consistency helps your financial statements make sense and reduces back and forth when it's time to file. If you're ever unsure about which category to choose, a quick check with a tax professional can save time later. And that's it. Your expenses are now categorized for tax time in Wave Accounting. Thanks for watching. For